back to exploring Midjourney. Let me show you how you can upload images. When you want to use images, you can right click on them and copy the image link if they're already available online, and then you can use them in your prompts or to blend them, to describe them. But let's just say you have one of these images on your computer and not online available. Let's say it's this one, so I download it. It's now on my computer. You can certainly upload this to image hosting or storage platforms, but you can also just drag and drop it right here into Discord. It's this one, but be careful, this window right here doesn't indicate that it's already uploaded. It just indicates what you have selected. Click on it and then press enter, and now it is uploaded and you can use it in your image prompts. Another way, if you don't want to drag and drop it, is to click on the plus sign and select it, and then yet again left click on it, press enter. You may have to confirm via enter yet again, but now it's uploaded and you can left click on it. Let us check these. So here we have our motorbike. Number 4 could be useful. But anyway, let's get back to this one. If you want to use it, you want to open it in browser and now right click, copy image link. On this now an image link internally for Discord. So if you use imagine motorbike and I paste it, it's now a Discord app link and we can use this in Midjourney. So drag and drop or use the plus sign and then always confirm via enter. And in this case, it actually did a good job. Even the BMW logo here in number 3 is visible. Not bad, but that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.